Hey everyone, hope you're all doing well. So, this is card number 4, and when you choose this card, your guidance is to be free and independent within the nurture of a loving, caring family or community. If you feel misunderstood, remember that you carry in your aura light and wisdom that are not always recognized. Do any menial tasks that come your way graciously, for this is part of life on earth. You are invited to look at the circumstances of your life and challenging situations from a higher perspective. This will bring you much peace and enable your innate qualities of love, loyalty, and caring to develop. When you can do this, your essential wisdom will shine through. You will be acknowledged by those around you, recognize who you are, and many will be drawn to your energy. Oh, I loved that one. All right, so if you feel that guidance has, you know, touched you, um, or if you feel that you may lack that and you want to bring that into your life, it's the goat. Act from your innate wisdom.